Welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, finally, Jub apologized to Kelly Khumalo after what he said last year on Meji's podcast. Jub apologized to Amanda DuPont last year, but he didn't bother apologizing to Kelly Khumalo, and Kelly never said anything or demanded any apology. Moja Love demanded Jub to choose between apologizing to Kelly Khumalo or to forget about the show. Uyathola 99, which is one of the biggest show in Mzansi. This morning, Jub posted his apology to Kelly Khumalo on his Instagram page, and it's of apology to Kelly Khumalo. I'm writing this letter to accept and own up my own mistake. I Mulemo Jub Marohanye would like to take this moment to apologize to the mother of my son Kelly Khumalo for any distress or hurt I may have caused her following not only the aftermath of the interview on podcast and chill with Meji, but also any other public opinion. Kelly, I am really sorry. I really did not mean for things to get there between you and I. My comment were taken out of context, however, it still doesn't make it right. Please don't think that I'm sending you this apology because of the recent article published this weekend. I had plans to make things right with you, and I still do that. I will still do that outside the public domain. I'm hoping and most importantly praying that you and I will one day reach an amicable solution to co-parent our camp, as all I beg for is an opportunity to be part of his life. There is no way I can take back the missed years in his life. However, given the opportunity by you, I know that I can be a good father to him. This is certainly not however I wanted to first apologize to you. However, because I made the comment on a public podcast, it's only right that I only apologize publicly. I am not in any way defending my actions. You are the mother of my son, and I have a lot of respect for you. In me trying to set the record straight about me being an upset father to my son or not caring or loving him, a lot went wrong happened, or a lot wrong happened in a short space of time during that interview. I own up it as a human or as a man, but most importantly a human being. I ask that a media and public please respect my privacy as I attempt to make things right with Kelly Khumalo outside of the public space. I know that I'm a public figure, however I'm a father first and most importantly a human being. I apologize to the women in South Africa at large too for any distress, disappointment or hurt I may have caused, and I hope that one day you'll find it in your heart to forgive me. I will be undergoing sensitivity classes for my use of language, and I am working on myself as an individual. I humbly ask for my privacy as I continue to work on myself. God bless you. Yes, guys, so that was Jub apologizing to Kelly Khumalo. I hope she will accept this apology, and I hope he's doing this from his heart. After all, they have a son together. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.